Okay. So on Tuesday the 22nd, case study 1, which is JP Morgan, is going to be due. Again, there are 8-minute presentations with maybe 2 minutes of Q&A. You really want to time yourself because the attention span of most of these people are not more than 8 minutes. Seriously, you got to get it done in 8 minutes or 10 or less. Make sure the PowerPoint presentation is in black and white, stapled, and 1 slide per page. Okay, and then you're going to come back on Thursday, December 4th, and you're going to present Wells Fargo. Okay, and again, I'm not going to be giving you critical feedback that time. I'm going to be videotaping you. And if you go up onto the website, there are student presentations of your colleagues that have gone before you, and I picked the best presentations and I put them up on the website. So you can review them and you can model them. Okay, and I think they've done a lot of them have done a really, really good job. Very professional presentations. On December 1st, you're not only going to bring me the first draft of Wells Fargo, but you're going to bring me the corrected version and the updated version of JP Morgan. So any corrections that were done on JP Morgan have to be integrated into your Wells Fargo. They're not mutually exclusive. Okay? Then you're going to give me these two, and when you do your presentation, I'll be checking all the assumptions, I'll be checking the formatting, and then I'll give it back to you for you to then correct it. After that, you will be working with me until the end of the semester, until I sign off on the presentations. Once I sign off on the presentations, you can go to the print shop. They will have the clear covers, they will have the black backs, and they will have the spiral wire bindings. Do not deviate from this format, okay? And then at the end of the semester, you will print it out in color, just like the rest of the students did, and you will hand in 1 copy of each by the leader, okay, of the team. And what we're going to do is we are going to, after we do the market update, because this is a historical day, you are going to break up into teams of 3, and you're going to select a leader. You're going to select a marketing and production person that can make sure that there's no errors in this and that this gets produced on time, and a financial analyst that can do the Excel programming for the ratio analysis and the intrinsic valuation sensitivities. Okay, so let's do the any questions. I will give 1 copy of this to each team. You can come up and take pictures of as many as you want. And then I will bring these back later, and you can rifle through them and see the quality of the product across different presentations.
So we're not splitting the class up between JP Morgan and Wells Fargo?
No.
Everybody's doing it?
You got to do 2 because the problem is it takes 2 times around. Okay.
I'm sorry?
It takes 2 times around. You can't just do it once. And what you'll see is people do the presentations, they won't be very good the first time around, but by the second time when they come back, they've refined the presentation and they're really, really good. So you got to do it a couple times. It's the same thing with the pitch books, okay? And the same thing with the memos, okay? So the memos, again, after they're signed off, you're going to print them in color and you're going to give them to me. So now you got memos that you can show prospective employers. You got pitch books that you can show prospective employers. And those were the 2 deliverables that they asked for, was memos and pitch books. And you already have the homeworks, okay, in the exams to show them too. So let's do the market updates really quick. So what's the Dow doing on the historical day? By how much? 24. So what's the? So it didn't move. It moved pretty big yesterday. I think it was up like 250 points yesterday. So they were probably anticipating a Clinton win. So it's basically just trending sideways. Okay, what's oil doing?
Oil is
13%.
How much?
0.13%.
Okay, and what's it trading at?
44.96.
Okay, it's a little under 45. And then what about gold?
Down 0.2%.
down 0.2%,
To
12.76.
okay, and then what about the 10-year Treasury yield? Is it up or down? It's up. Okay, sell off in the bond market. People are buying stocks because they're euphoric in regards to the outcomes of the election. Okay, got it. And then what about the dollar to the pound?
It's up 0.04%.
Okay, so the dollar's appreciated.
Probably,
If the dollar to the pound is up,
yeah.
then it's appreciated. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then one of want you to break up into teams of 3. Pick your leader, pick your marketing, pick your financial analyst, and then I'll call you up one by one while you're on the exams with you. You may want to also start doing some of the, doing some of the research, using Value Line, using Morningstar, using S&P, using Mergent, and start doing some research on JP Morgan and Wells Fargo.